I've been working with Mr. Martin, who is a teacher here at Howenstine High School, for some years, and several times now he has brought his students up to Kitt Peak to observe on one of the research telescopes with me.
The classes that I'm taking is science internship, and in there we learn about stars. It's basically astronomy, and after we study about the stars, that's when we went to Kitt Peak and we got the opportunity to look through the telescope.
I took 3 students to Kitt Peak for 2 nights, and they did some observation on a rather cloudy night and collected data, and then used that data at Science Fair to present 2 projects of what you could do on a cloudy night with a telescope. So that was quite fun. But during the day we walked around and looked at the different telescopes.
And in one of the informational hallways, they had what basically we have several panels ranging from the smallest terrestrial planet Mercury up to the largest star in the galaxy we know as VY Canis Majoris. And they had panels with a single scale going from Earth being the biggest of the 4 terrestrial to Mercury, and then it's going from Earth being the smallest on the second panel to Jupiter the largest, and so on. And while up there, as Howenstine being a service learning high school, I thought it would be a fun project to just show the information with my peers of what we saw up there.
We had to figure what measurement, how we had to divide, and by what we had to multiply in order for our scale will kind of be the same on each wall, and that we can basically show the differences between the sizes.
If you look at this panel, we've got Jupiter, which is really tiny down there. But if you go over to this panel, Jupiter is the largest gaseous planet. Okay, and the smallest planet here is Earth. But on that panel down there, Earth is the largest planet. So it's all a case of varying the scale.
Not only did we just, me and other students that were involved in this, we learned about the scales and the differences. We also learned how to work together and be able to basically do teamwork.
As an astronomer, I can say that this model that they've done is beautiful. They've shown the relative sizes of a whole bunch of astronomical objects, starting with the planets like the Earth and going out to the Sun, and then showing how you have to jump to larger and larger scales up to the largest star that we know about. And that's what they have in the hallway here.
In this school, I had the opportunity to work on several different service learning projects. This Mural is one of the service learning projects.
Service learning, it's the magnet for this high school, and what it does is basically every student, every single one of their 4 years has to do a project that helps the community in some way. I've tutored at Robinson Elementary School, St. Ambrose Elementary School, and I'm now painting the mural.
As the teacher here, as the science teacher here, I'm going to use this with my students next year. So this is going to be an ongoing project.
We also do a lot of the food drives, and we help with the homeless shelters. It's just an amazing school.